So guys, for the first method, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the speaker icon right here. Now you want to select sound output. Make sure that you have your laptop speaker selected for the output device. Now we're going to go back. Make sure that you have this turned up and that this is not muted. So you want to turn this up and then unmute this. This should now increase your laptop speaker volume. There may also be a sound key on your laptop keyboard which you can press, which will then increase the volume. Another thing you could also do is you can head over to search and type in S&D VOL. Click on it. You want to find the application that you want to use and you want to turn this up and then unmute it. Now one last thing that we can do is you want to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. Now once we're here, make sure that you're on the playback tab. You want to select your laptop speakers, double click on it. Now once we're here, you want to go to levels. Again, make sure that you have it turned up and that this is unmuted. Now you want to click on enhancements. You can select disable all enhancements and we can go to advanced and you can untick this right here. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. And then click on OK. All of this can increase the volume of your laptop speakers.